How to stop automatic updates in Windows 11 permanently. Windows 11 is a powerful operating system with regular updates that can keep your system secure and up to date. However, sometimes automatic updates can cause issues, such as slowing down your computer, compatibility issues, etc. In this video, I'll show you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11 permanently. So, let's get started. First, open the Services app. First, open the Start menu. Type Run on the search box. Click on it. Then type services.msc. Click OK. You can also search this in the Start menu. It will lead you here. Once the Services app is open, look for Windows Update in the list. Double-click on it to go to the Properties. In this window, click on the Stop button to stop the service, as I have already stopped this. Next, under the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled and click on Apply. Then click OK. Now close it. Now click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Then click on Advanced Options. Then click on Delivery Optimizations. This feature allows your computer to download updates from other computers on the same network, which can use up a lot of bandwidth. Then toggle off the switch that says Allow downloads from the other PCs. Now close it. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can stop automatic updates in Windows 11 permanently. Keep in mind that disabling automatic updates can leave your computer vulnerable to security threats. So make sure to manually check for updates and install them regularly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial Rival channel for more videos.